A Stock Website Guide 2. Chapter 1. Stock Websites. Learn about investing at thebalancemoney.com/investing-40729778. Go here or to number 332 at the library. Free stock info at thebalancemoney.com/stocks-40739771. The younger generation is dazzled by stocks. Mutual fund articles at thebalance-money.com/mutual-funds-40739989. Mutual funds are investment vehicles that are groups of stocks managed by some financial guy or gal. Financial planning articles at thebalance-money.com/financial-planning-40740222. Many free articles. Cully.org/business/investing and Cully.org/business/financial_services for 1000 plus investing websites. Many lists of useful websites. Stock websites 1. Beware of investment chatlines. They're hype. Some of the following websites have subscription fees. aa2.com/invbas/index.html, investor information. StockMarketYellowPages.com, Stock Market Yellow Pages, company search. 10kwizard.com, 10kwizard. 247wallst.com. aa2.org, American Association of Individual Investors. TradersChoice.net. ActionAlertsPlus.com, charitable trust run by Kramer of Mad Money. ActiveQuote.fidelity.com. AddictedToProfits.net. ADULT-EXCHANGE.com. allbusiness.com/personal-finance/investing article trader.com/business/stock-investing-4.html. AllegroDev.com. allpennystocks.com. allstocks.com. allstocks.com/pennystocks. alltassets.com. alltassets.com/private-equity-news. amazing-b2b.com. americanstalks.com. ameritrade.com, Ameritrade. Analytical software to global markets. andrewtobias.com. apax.com. articles.com/articles/business_and_finance. articles.moneycentral.msn.com/investing-askmen.com/money. articletrader.com/business/stock-investing-4.html. assetsandopportunity.org. automatedtrader.net. avafx.com. baltimoresun.com/business/investing. bankrate.com. bankrupt.com, Internet Bankruptcy Library, worldwide troubled company resources. barons.com. beginnermoneyinvesting.com. Stock websites 2. truthinequity.com. peoplesfinancialadvisor.com. berkshirehathaway.com/letters/letters.html. bestcalls.com. bestcalls.com, bestcalls.com, company research. bestlongtermstocks.biz. beststockstobui.info. bestwaytoinvest.com. betterinvesting.org. bettertrades.com, sharebuilder.com. bigcharts.com. bigcharts.com, bigcharts.com, stock charts. biospace.com. blackacot.com/business.htm. bloggingstocks.com. bloggingstocks.com. bloomberg.com. bloomberg.com/index.html, Bloomberg. bmoinvestorline.com. boards.fool.com, Motley Fool, bulletin board. bondresources.com. briefing.com. bulldogresearch.com. bullsector.com. bullsector.com/healthcarefacilities.html. buyandhold.com. buyandhold.com. cabot.net/must-buy-stocks. canadianbusiness.com/marketsgulfnews.com/business/market_watchwealthtrack.com carrionecredit.com kcresearch.com cbs.marketwatch.com ceoexpress.com CEO Express Financial Directory CertifiedTradingSystems.com CFAInstitute.org Association for Investment Management and Research challengegame.com/money_investing.html channelingstalks.com christianT.com/finance/stocktrading.htm clarkhoward.com clearstation.com clearstation clusterstalk.com cnbc.com cnbc.com cnn.com/money cnnfn.com